Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the cool message pop-up effects to your videos in Inshot. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how you can create engaging text animations that mimic chat messages for a fun and dynamic look. So what you need to do first before opening chat, you need to go to this page called ifaketextmessage.com and then create your text messages. So I've already created mine. Here is the result. You can just add the messages and also the name, and after that you can just scroll down or just long press on the image and tap on download image. After that, you can remove the background of the text messages like this. I've already removed it actually. And after that, after you got the picture of the message, you can just go back to Inshot, and then here click on the video and you can choose your background. So here, let's say I want to make this video as the background. Now you can click on the PIP and add the overlay, the text message overlay, to the timeline like this. I'm going to crop it first. Okay, click on the check icon. You can also enlarge it. I'm going to put it in here. Let's make it smaller. Okay, and now what you need to do is just go to mask and then choose this. Okay, this one right here, and then move it up like this. Click on the check icon and then add a keyframe. Now move forward on the video, move the playback like this, and click on the mask again and scroll down or put the masking down to reveal the first message. Click on the check icon again and add another keyframe and go to mask and reveal the other message. Okay, so just repeat the step until all of the messages is revealed, just like this. Okay, so you can preview the result by playing it. And now this is the pop-up text messages. If you want to, you can speed up the keyframe. So just adjust the distance in between the keyframes to adjust the pop-up. And you can also add sound effects if you want to. So that's it. This is how you can create a pop-up message pop-up effects in Inshot. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.